In 2021, a cryptocurrency investor named Chris Williamson from Georgia, US, became the world's first trillionaire for a brief period of time after a glitch on the exchange platform he was using listed him as having a 13-figure net worth. Williamson discovered the balance was listed as $1 trillion, despite only putting $20 into his account a few days prior. He even tweeted at Elon Musk for some advice on his situation, in the hopes that Musk could confirm this newfound fortune. So in this video, we are going to discuss a man who became a trillionaire for just 2 minutes. The video is going to be amazing, make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. A man in America briefly became the richest person in the world after he was accidentally credited with $92 quadrillion. However, the man's identity and the bank responsible for the error were not disclosed. As of August 2023, the man who became a trillionaire for just 2 minutes due to a PayPal glitch has not been identified. However, he has said that he knows what he would have done with the money if he had it for real. A man in the United States briefly became the richest person in the world after he was accidentally credited with $92 quadrillion. This is more than the entire wealth of the world combined. The man's identity and the bank responsible for the error were not disclosed. However, the man has said that he knows what he would have done with the money if he had it for real. He said he would have used it to help people in need, such as by funding research into diseases and providing food and shelter for the homeless. He also said he would have donated some of the money to charity. Chris Reynolds, a man from Pennsylvania, became the richest man in the world for just 2 minutes due to a PayPal glitch. In 2013, he checked his PayPal account and was expecting to see $140 that he had stored there. However, when he logged in, he saw that his balance was actually $92 billion. Reynolds was shocked and confused, but he quickly realized that it was a glitch. He contacted PayPal and they fixed the problem, but not before Reynolds had a chance to think about what he would do with all that money. He said that he would have used it to help others, including donating to charity and helping his family. He also said that he would have taken some time off work to travel and enjoy his life. However, to his shock, he opened the account to a whopping $92 quadrillion more. The exact figure that flashed up on the screen was 92 quadrillion. 233,720,368,547,800, 81 quadrillion pounds. Not only was he briefly the world's richest man, he was also the world's first quadrillionaire. At first, Chris was worried as he thought the banking app was telling him he owed someone trillions of pounds. He posted the bank statement on Facebook to try to find answers, where someone rightfully pointed out that the figure was listed under credit, not debt. Before this, the most money he had ever seen in his account was a little over $1,000 for selling a set of vintage BMW tires on eBay, Unilad reported. However, Chris' quadrillionaire status was very short-lived, 2 minutes long to be exact. He quickly discovered that it was a glitch on PayPal's end when he logged back into his account to find the balance had gone down to $0. Chris was shocked when he logged into his PayPal account and saw that he had a balance of $1 quadrillion. He had never seen so much money in his life, and he couldn't believe his luck. He quickly posted a screenshot of his bank statement on Facebook to share the news with his friends and family. However, not everyone was as excited as Chris was. Some people pointed out that the figure was listed under credit, not debt, which meant that it wasn't actually his money. Others suggested that it was just a glitch in PayPal's system. Chris was disappointed to learn that his quadrillionaire status was short-lived. When he logged back into his account a few minutes later, the balance had gone down to $0. He later confirmed that it was a glitch on PayPal's end. Chris was a little embarrassed by the whole incident, but he was also relieved that he hadn't actually lost any money. He learned a valuable lesson that day. Never trust anything you see on the internet, especially when it comes to money. Since the money was revoked, he's had plenty of time to dream of what he could have splashed the cash on. He could have bought a new house, a fancy car, or taken a luxurious vacation. But instead, he's been dreaming of things like a new roof for his mother's house, a college education for his daughter, and a new start for himself. He's realized that the things he really wants in life are the things that money can't buy. Chris, a Philadelphian who sells auto parts in his spare time, was asked by the Philadelphia Daily News what he would have spent the money on if he had won the lottery. He said he would have used it to pay the national debt down. He added, "Then I would buy the Phillies if I could get a great price." Chris also said that the experience of winning the lottery made him feel like $1 million. Chris's comments about paying down the national debt and buying the Phillies are both ambitious. The national debt is currently over $30 trillion, and it would take a lot of money to pay it down significantly. Buying the Phillies would also be a costly endeavor, as the team is worth over $2 billion. However, Chris's comments show that he is thinking big and that he is not afraid to dream big. Chris quickly discovered that it was a glitch on PayPal's end when he logged back into his account to find the balance had gone down to $0. He had just made a large purchase, so he was understandably concerned when he saw that his balance was gone. He contacted PayPal customer service, and they were able to confirm that it was a glitch and that his balance would be restored shortly. Chris was relieved to hear this, and he was able to make his purchase without any further problems. Chris had been using PayPal for years and had never had any problems with it before. He was using a credit card to make the purchase, so he was not out any money while his balance was being restored. PayPal customer service was very helpful and responsive, and they were able to resolve the issue quickly. Chris was happy with the way that PayPal handled the situation, and he would continue to use their service in the future. PayPal said in a statement, "This is obviously an error, and we appreciate that Mr. Reynolds understood this was the case." This statement was made in response to an incident where Mr. Reynolds was mistakenly charged twice for a purchase. PayPal apologized for the error and credited Mr. Reynolds' account with the duplicate charge. They also stated that they are working to prevent similar errors from happening in the future. PayPal's statement is important because it shows that they are committed to providing good customer service. They are willing to take responsibility for their mistakes and make things right for their customers. This is a good sign for PayPal and their customers. Chris Reynolds, a man from Pennsylvania, was shocked to discover that he had become a quadrillionaire after a glitch in PayPal's system caused his account balance to reach $462 quadrillion. The Philadelphia Phillies, a professional baseball team based in Philadelphia, have an estimated value of $2.58 billion. This is well within Chris' brief quadrillionaire price range. PayPal quickly apologized for the error and said that it was working to fix it. The company also offered to donate an undisclosed amount of money to a charity of Chris' choice. Chris accepted the offer and said that he would donate the money to the Special Olympics. PayPal said in a statement, "We think it's inspiring that he decided to use this occurrence to donate to a cause he believes in, and we hope to honor this spirit by donating to a cause of his choice. We've reached out to him to make this offer and to let him know we are grateful that he's a customer." Chris Reynolds is a lucky man. He was able to turn a glitch into a positive by donating money to a good cause. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.